how to change your keyboard theme on Gboard. So hello guys, if you are also using Gboard just like me, then to change your theme on your keyboard, what you can do is, so let me just show you an example. If I press over here, you can see my keyboard theme is completely white. So to change it, what I can do is just head over to my settings, and once I enter my settings, just click on the search button and just search in for Gboard. So under the app section, just click on Gboard and once again open the application from over here, as you can see. So once you're inside here, what you need to do is just click on this theme option. So simply click on it, and you can, based on this design over here, you can also select multiple colors or multiple landscapes, or you can also use gradients, dark gradient, light gradients, like that. So let me just select any one of them. So I like this one, so let's click on apply. And now, if to confirm if it has been applied or not, let me just check it real quick. So as you can see, my background of the keyboard has been successfully changed. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.